if you want to know the struggle of being a gym goer and like being forgetful, that's me. I don't know how to get this guy a little sharper when it comes to remembering things, but I forgot shoes and I forgot pants in the car, but the car's too far to go back right now, and we're trying to make this dinner thing tonight. So to get my lift in and to get my cardio in, because I'm gonna need some cardio after tonight's dinner, we're just gonna lift in this hoodie, in my black jeans, and these dress shoes. Actually, I probably won't lift in the dress shoes because it's deadlift day, so I am just gonna, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna do cardio, probably barefoot. I'm probably gonna lift barefoot. I just want to tell the YouTube world that I've done this before. I've gone to the gym without my gym clothes several times, especially without my gym shoes. And dude, honestly, it's kind of comical now. If anyone has tips on being less forgetful, please let me know, because I am horrible. It's a flaw and I want to work on it. What I'm trying to do is be productive and not let it get to me. So I'm gonna finish this cardio in my dress socks and my tight black jeans. And we're gonna finish this workout. And if my jeans rip, it's whatever, dude. All right, rant over. Ariana is the video editor. She might have to cut this because, I think I ranted for like 3 minutes. You guys don't want to hear me. 3 minutes? Okay. So I have to confess that lifting in these jeans and dress socks, not that bad, right, baby?
Huh?
I was pretty strong in these, right?
Yes, you are.
I was strong. Anyways, almost done with this lift. And after lift, we get ready, and we are going. You want to tell them?
Get food at Fremont. Brunch all day.
Brunch for dinner. It's actually pretty nice out. That was gonna be colder. So we are on a double date with Ariana and her parents and her mom. She's eating right now. We're at Fremont, Chicago. I got an omelet with a bunch of meat and cheese. Ariana's grabbing food right now, and Ariana's dad is parking the car. We only have till 10 o'clock. It's already 9 p.m. and just trying to get all this food in. It's like pork. So Ariana grabbed a waffle. She thought it was blueberry, but they made it chocolate, right? And fun fact about Ariana,
I don't like no chocolate.
she doesn't like chocolate. I don't know.
Blueberries, cinnamon toast crunch, and a scoop of ice cream and caramel sauce.
Good?
Delicious. What are you coming back for? Oh, can you get me some of those? Those are really good.
Ariana's mom is like addicted to the celery over here.
That's her favorite thing here.
The celery! Mama Sada, what's the best thing here?
Pork belly.
Oh, the pork belly, yeah.
And then
I'll take this, babe.
okay.
This is all your food, baby?
I didn't like that, so yes. That just had the omelet on it. I didn't like this.
I didn't like that.
So tomorrow, gun range, and then are you free for the afternoon? So on one side you have Mitch and his donut and ice cream. And on the other side you have my mom and her celery. Like literally side by side. And my dad with another donut and some ice cream on top of it as well. This is what happens when you go out with old people. Hey, Ma. Ma. She woke back up.
Bottomless mimosas and no drinking.
This is what bottomless mimosas do. Did you guys have fun?
Yes, we had a good time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So it wasn't as hype as Fremont normally is on, like, what is that, on Sunday when they do brunch?
Yeah.
But it was still pretty nice and low-key. The food was delicious. It's actually a beautiful day. I have a really cute picture of you and Daddy when you guys were just like standing while I was trying to get the video ready.
Is he trying to take me now?
Probably.
I think I'm gonna beat you up.
What? Do it.
No, he's a little drunk. The mimosas got her.
I'm gonna beat all three you up.
No one said to get the bottomless mimosa package. We parked our car so that we could just drive in the car with the parents. And now I don't want to drive home.
I'm telling you, it's just to drive home.
No.
I always drive.
I'm not driving home.
You know, when
so
you're stuffed,
tired.
when you like put something else, sorry, babe.
Oh, see, I'm not driving. Physical
When you
abuse
put something in front of your stomach to cover
of how.
how big your stomach is.
Now we're gonna head back to Indiana and probably like watch a movie or something with the family. Love you. See you in a little bit.
Vlog yourself, see?
No.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, you don't be for trouble because you know. Fuck around, I can see them.
No copyrights. No copyrights.
I'm showing the video.
It's a cover. It's a cover. It's a cover.
Sorry that your love will hold me together. Lady, you say you're killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up a skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping the thighs. Light up the split, get high. Shorty, you deserve what you've been missing. Shorty, you deserve.
Hi. He gets his doggy ass on when he's excited. Babe, it almost looked like you killed the dog. He like dropped it and he suddenly was nowhere to be found.
Sky. Hi.
Good morning, puppy. How are you? Did you sleep well? Hey, Sky, how about we switch? Hey, look it.
Yes.
Don't you want it?
Almost.
I'm gonna get rid of this.
Yes. Yes.
Here.
It was all that
Here.
shit.
There you go. Here you go, puppy.
I saw this. I saw.
Go get him. My family's home.
Not ready to arm.
Hey, Anissa.
Hi.
Your hair look crazy. Hey, girl.
Hi.
You're so pretty.
Look at those boots.
Oh, your hair actually
Look at her
looks...
slippers.
Thank you.
Those are cute. Can I borrow them?
Those are sick.
I got them like 2 Christmases ago. Sure.
How was your sleepover?
It was good.
It was good.
Yeah.
My dad got called out to work, so he's just getting home too, which is why we have a late start to our day. So we've just decided Anissa is not allowed to do any co-ed sports.
Yep. No.
Talking about track.
I met a lot of friends. I have made a lot of friends.
Guy friends.
Guy friends.
Girls make too much drama, that's why.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
This one's not allowed to do co-ed sports. You will play volleyball and softball. That's it.
Synchronized swimming.
We don't even have
Yeah,
softball.
synchronized swimming. That's what you will play
Yep.
and like it.
My school doesn't even have that many sports, so it sucks. We don't have softball. I don't even think we have a soccer
Okay.
team. What? What, Daddy?
I have to stop eating all you can eat when I go to all you can eat. Place.
Why?
I ate too much yesterday.
Are you still full?
I couldn't sleep all night because stomach was bothering me.
My hair was...
I slept like a baby.
You were snoring.
That's that buffet. That's the buffet snore.
Except with Scott.
What time is it?
Pew pew time!
What time is it?
Pew pew time.
Pew pew. Pew pew.
Point it up, you point it to the ground. You don't turn with it. You leave it down. You point it down range. You make sure it's in the time.
No pew pews today. The gun range was full. So we're gonna come back tomorrow instead. But Anissa did get a little, sorry, still in some gum. She did get a little review on how to use the gun. So that was nice.